Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode we are going to discuss circles JEE Mains concepts and problems. Let us have a discussion in this session. The first question here, a rectangle ABCD is inscribed in a circle with diameter lying along the line 3y equal to x plus 10. If A equal to minus 6 comma 7 and B equal to 4 comma 7, then the area of the rectangle in square units. Here the question is, a rectangle ABCD is inscribed in a circle with diameter lying along the line 3y equal to x plus 10. A and B values are given. Then the area of rectangle they are asking. So you draw the rough figure according to the question. You will get it idea. This is the circle equation. In this rectangle inscribed, so here A, B, C, D. A rectangle ABCD inscribed in the circle. A and B values are given. A equal to minus 6 comma 7 and B equal to 4 comma 7. We don't know the vertices of C and D, but we can write it. So how it is? We know that the vertical lines are having x coordinates are equal. So what is x coordinate in this B? X. So 4. So here 4. We don't know the y coordinate, that we can assume as L. In the same way, the coordinate of D also we can write as, here x coordinate is minus 6. Why? Because AD is vertical line. For vertical line x coordinates are equal. So here minus 6, and here you can take another one, either K or M or N, anything you can take. So now we got that all vertices of 2 vertices given, 2 vertices according to the information we got it. After that one more thing is given, with diameter along the line. So diameter means here, if we join either BD or AC, both are diagonals only. So here join the diagonals. Both are diagonals. Either AC you can take sorry, or BD you can take. The diagonal equation is 3y equal to x plus 10. We know that in rectangle diagonals bisect each other. That means the midpoint of either AC or BD lying on this equation, diameter equation, 3y equal to x plus 10. So here midpoint of BD is equal to, midpoint formula we know that x1 plus x2 by 2, minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, comma k plus 7 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 by 2, minus 1, comma k plus 7 divided by 2. This midpoint of BD, this point it is. You can take as some E or M only can take midpoint. M lies on this line. It lies on 3y is equal to x plus 10. Now in place of x and y, this is x, this is y, substitute and get the value of k. So 3 into, in place of y, k plus 7 by 2 is equal to, in place of x, minus 1 plus 10. So 3 into k plus 7 by 2 is equal to 9. So 3 ones are 3 threes are cross multiply. That implies k plus 7 is equal to 6. So k equal to 6 minus 7, which is equal to minus 1. After getting the value of k, the coordinates of d will becomes, therefore d coordinates, d of minus 6 comma k will becomes minus 6 comma minus 1. What is the use of getting the value of k? They are asking to calculate the area of rectangle. AB is the length, AC AD is the breadth. So therefore, first we need to calculate AB distance and AD distance. AB is equal to length L is equal to square root of. Whenever you are calculating distance between 2 points, y coordinates are equal. The difference of x coordinates is the answer. So that means here instead of finding distance between these two, mod minus 6 minus 4 which is equal to mod minus 10 which is equal to 10. In the same way AD, that is equal to breadth, B equal to. We are calculating distance between these two when x coordinates are equal. K value is what we got it here, minus 1. So the point is minus 6 comma minus 1. So the distance between minus 6 comma 7 and minus 6 comma minus 1 is mod difference between y coordinates. So 7 minus of minus 1, 7 minus of minus 1 which is equal to mod 8 which is equal to 80. Therefore, the area of rectangle ABCD is length into breadth. So L into B which is equal to 10 into 8 which is equal to 80 square units, which is there in the first option. Let us take the next question. Let AB be the chord 4x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. If C equal to 7 comma 1, then the area of triangle ABC is, then the area of triangle ABC is 15, 20, 24 and 45. Then how to do that? AB length of chord is given, chord equation is given, one circle equation is given. After that one more point is also there, C equal to 7 comma 1. Then the area of triangle ABC. Here they did not mention that C point is whether it is lying on the circle or inside the circle or outside the circle. They did not mention anything. First we have to decide that whether the point is inside or outside or lying on the circle. How to decide? By finding the power of point. Power of point means S11. First we will check out this. After that AB is a chord now. So automatically we will draw that chord equation. Given circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0, and C point C equal to 7 comma 1, that I am assuming that x1 y1. I am calculating the value of S11 to find the position of the point C with respect to this circle. S11 means x1 square. In place of x and y substitute x1 y1, it will become 49 plus 1 minus 14 plus 4 minus 20. which is equal to 49 plus 1, 50. 50 minus 50 plus 4, 54. Minus 14 minus 20 minus 34, which is equal to 20 is greater than 0. Whenever S11 is greater than 0, the point is outside the circle. That implies that C equal to 7, 1 lies outside the circle. We decided that the point is outside. Now, according to the question, draw the diagram. AB is a chord of the circle. So here, this is the circle equation. This is AB chord. But length is only AB. This equation is what? 4x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Circle center of the circle C equal to minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. So 1 comma minus 2. And calculate R also. Radius of the circle R is equal to square root of g square plus h square 1 plus 4 minus of minus 20 root 25 which is equal to 5. Radius of the circle also we got it. Now circle center I am assuming here already C point is given no. So I am assuming here the point is O. Center of the circle is O I am assuming. That value we got as 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. Whenever chord equation is given, we need to calculate length of chord. Sir, why sir we are calculating length of chord? So C point is outside, we observe that now. C of 7 comma 1. Now join AC and BC. We got one triangle. We are going to calculate the area of triangle. Area of triangle formula is what? Area of triangle ABC equal to half into base into height, which is equal to half into base. Base is what from this? AB is the base. AB into height. Height is what? From here to here. AD is the height. Now we will calculate AB. AB means what? Length of chord only. To calculate length of chord, what is the formula? 2 into root of A R square minus B square. Therefore, length of chord AB is equal to 2 into root of R square minus D square. What is D here? Perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line. This is D. This is obviously R. This is R value. R value we got it already. So D value calculate here. D equal to perpendicular distance from 1 comma minus 2 to 4x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. So mod in place of x comma y 1 comma minus 2. So 4 plus 6 plus 5 divided by square root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 divided by root 25 is 5 which is equal to 3. So D value is equal to 3. R value we got it already. R is equal to 5. Now substitute in the formula length of chord AB. Length of chord. So AB equal to 2 into root of R square. R square means 5 square. 25 minus D square. 3 square. That is 9. Which is equal to 2 into root of 25 minus 9. 16. Root 16 is 4. 2 into 4 which is equal to 8. So the value of AB is equal to 8. AB value we got it. Next what value we can calculate? AD value we can calculate. So that also we will find out. AD is equal to, AD means what? Perpendicular distance. So not AD thing, it is from CD. It's not AD, it's CD. Even here also we have to change it. It is CD. From here to here. It is CD. Height height of the triangle. CD is perpendicular distance from C of 7, 1 to the line 4x minus 3y plus 5. So that is equal to mod 4 into, in place of x, 4 into 7 minus 3 into 1 plus 5 divided by root of 16 plus 9 is 28 minus 3 plus 5 divided by root 25. 28 plus 5, 33. 33 minus 3 is 30. 30 divided by root 25 is 5, which is equal to 6. Therefore, the value of CD is equal to 6. After getting the values of AB and CD, substitute in that required area of triangle. So, the area of triangle ABC is, which is equal to half into, in place of AB, we can write it as 8 into CD value is 6. So here 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 4 6 are 24, 24 square units. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC is 24 square units, which is there in the third option. First, you have to understand the question. According to the data, you can draw the rough figure, you will get it idea. Easy to solve that answer. The next question, ABCD is a square of unit area. A circle is tangent to two sides of ABCD and passes through exactly one of its vertices. The radius of the circle is, ABCD is a square of unit area. A circle is tangent to two sides of ABCD and passes through exactly one of its vertices. Then the radius of the circle. So here ABCD is a square of unit area. Suppose if you are assuming the side of a square is A, then the area of square is equal to A square, which is equal to 1. From the information, ABCD is a square of unit area. Unit area means area is equal to 1 unit. So A square is equal to 1, obviously A is equal to 1 only. So each side of the square is equal to 1 unit. So first you have to draw the diagram of a square. I am considering coordinate system. Here the point is A, I am taking that, and here I am taking the point is B, and here join these. So ABCD is a square of unit side. So unit area A is equal to 1, we got it, means each side is equal to 1 unit. Whenever it is origin, A coordinates are 0, 0. Why? Because x axis, y axis I am considering. So A is obviously 0, 0. AB is a side, no? How much length it is? 1 unit length. So from the point B, which is at a distance of 1 unit from origin, so the coordinates of B will become as 1, 0. At the same time, the point D, which is at a distance of 1 unit with respect to y-axis, so the coordinates of B will become 0, 1. What about the coordinates of C? 1, 1. Why? Because C is lying in the first quadrant and which is at a distance of 1 unit from x-axis as well as y-axis. So the coordinates of C will become as 1, 1. After that, a circle is tangent to two sides of ABCDs and passing through exactly one of its vertices. Here the circle is touches two of its sides ABCD. So if we draw like this, the figure, the circle is touching this side as well as this side and passing through one of its vertices. It is passing through C. This is the rough diagram. Just here. This is the required circle passing through one of its vertices, exactly one of its vertices, and touching two of its sides. So AD is one side and AB is another side. So obviously, how to calculate the center coordinates? Center, I am assuming here ABCD is over, no? So I am assuming here E is the center of the circle. Generally, radius of the circle, no? From here to here it is equal to radius. Even from here to here is also equal to radius. Therefore, the coordinates of E will becomes R, R. The coordinates of center R, R. Radius is R. What is the equation of circle whose center is at R, R with radius is R is the equation of circle. The equation of circle whose center at R, R and radius is R. And radius R is x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square equal to r square. Here which formula we applied? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. We discussed number of times that formula. So that is the reason directly I wrote. You are able to understand, I think. Now expand x square minus. No need to expand here. Why? Because this circle is passing to exactly one of its vertices. Which vertex it is passing? It is passing through 1, 1. So this equation 1 is passing through. Equation 1 is passing through C of 1, 1. In place of x, y, substitute 1, 1. It will becomes 1 minus r whole square plus 1 minus r whole square equal to r square. That implies that 2 times of 1 minus r whole square equal to r square. So 2 into r square plus 1 minus 2r equal to r square. So 2r square minus 4r plus 2 minus r square equal to 0. So r square minus 4r plus 2. 2r square minus r square is r square minus 4r plus 2 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of r. We have roots. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 2. So factors, that means roots of this quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So r equal to minus b. So minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of b square. So minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. So r equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 8, which is equal to 8 divided by 2. So r equal to 4 plus or minus root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. 4 into 2, 4 we take outside of the root, it will become as 2 divided by 2. 2 take common and cancel. So r equal to 2 into 2 plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. R equal to 2 plus or minus root 2. Here we have to decide which value is exact answer. We observe that the length of the side of the square is 1 unit. How can we expect that R value is more than 1? So R value is more than 1, we cannot expect. Since the value of R is less than 1, so obviously R will take the value is 2 minus root 2. Therefore, the radius of required circle is 2 minus root 2. The radius of the circle is 2 minus root 2, which is there in the first option. The next question. Let C be the circle with center 0, 0 and radius 3 units. The equation of the locus of midpoints of chords of the circle that subtend an angle 2 pi by 3 at its center is. So ultimately they are asking to calculate the locus of midpoints of chord of the circle that subtend an angle 2 pi by 3 at its center. See here, according to the question, if you draw the figure, this is the circle equation and circle C is equal to 0. Let C be the circle with center 0, 0. Here 0, 0 center. I am assuming that this is M. M is the center of the circle. And radius is 3 units. The equation of locus of midpoints of chord, one chord you can take. This I am assuming that AB is a chord equation. I am assuming that P of x1, y1 be the midpoints of chord. P of x1, y1 is the midpoint of chord. Now join AM and MB. And this chord makes an angle, the midpoints of chords of the circle that subtend an angle 2 pi by 3. Here this angle is 2 pi by 3. But if you draw one line perpendicular from M to AB chord, this line is bisecting these two. Therefore, here half of the angle, here also half of the angle. That means here 2 pi by 3, total angle is 2 pi by 3. In that half angle, here it is pi by 3, here also pi by 3. They are asking to calculate locus of midpoints of chords now. So from here to here it is radius. Radius is equal to R, which is equal to 3 units. Radius value from this triangle PBM, from triangle PMB, from here to here distance MP, distance if we calculate these two we will get it, and hypotenuse R value we know that. So adjacent side and hypotenuse means which angle you can consider? Cos. So from triangle PMB, cos, here theta value is what? Pi by 3. Cos pi by 3, which is equal to PM divided by MB. What is PM? Distance between these two, which is equal to square root of x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square divided by MB. MB means radius. Radius is equal to what? 3. What is the value of cos pi by 3? Cos 60 degrees, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square by 3, cross multiplying and squaring on both sides. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square. Squaring on both sides, we will get x1 square plus y1 square equal to 9 by 4. Whenever they are asking to calculate locus, you remove x1, y1 and write x, y. Therefore, it will becomes the locus is the required locus. X square plus y square equal to 9 by 4. The required equation of locus is x square plus y square equal to 9 by 4. which is there in the fourth option. See the next question. A circle of radius r passes through the origin and it meets the coordinate axis at A and B. The locus of centroid of triangle OAB is a circle of radius r passes through the origin and meets the axis. Axis means coordinate axis at A and B. Then the locus of centroid of triangle AOB. This is the easiest problem only. Once you draw the diagram of coordinate system as well as circle, x-axis, y-axis, this is the origin. The circle is passing through the origin. See here, like this the diagram will come. Just it is a rough diagram. Don't think that not the artist, just I am drawing this. If we join these two, it is the radius, it is the diameter of the circle, which cuts the circle cuts the coordinate axis at A and B respectively. We know that any line cuts the x-axis at, here I am taking as A comma 0, on x-axis y coordinate is 0. This point A is at a distance of A units. Similarly, the circle cuts y-axis at the point B at a distance of B units. Therefore, the coordinates of B are 0 comma small b. That means from figure OA is equal to small a and OB is equal to small b. After that, the circle radius is given as r. So, whenever it is a diameter, AB will becomes, this is center, C. So, AC plus BC, which is equal to R plus R, which is equal to 2R. AB is equal to 2R. Here, the question is the locus of centroid of triangle AOB. So, centroid. What is the formula for centroid? Centroid of triangle OAB. Centroid is denoted by g of x comma y. Simply I am writing here x comma y. What is the formula for centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So your origin is 0 comma 0, x1 plus x2 plus x3. That means 0 plus a plus 0. 0 plus a plus 0 divided by 3. 0 plus y1 plus y2 plus y3. 0 plus 0 plus b. So we can write it as a by 3 comma b by 3. Compare with x coordinate and y coordinate respectively. So x is equal to a by 3. That implies that a is equal to 3x. Similarly, comparing y coordinates, y is equal to b by 3. That implies b is equal to 3y. After getting the values of a and b, if you observe that triangle OAB is rectangle, triangle AOB is right angle, triangle, then OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. What is OA? OA means A square plus B square is equal to AB. AB means what? 2R whole square. What is A and B values? We got it here. A and B values are 3x and 3y. So 3x whole square plus 3y whole square equal to 2r whole square. Therefore, 9x square plus 9y square equal to 4r square. 9 take common. 9 into x square plus y square is equal to 4r square, which is the required locus of centroid of triangle AOB, which is there in the fourth option. D option it is. Thank you dear students for watching my videos. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. We'll meet in the next video with different questions in JEE Mains and EAMCET, which is useful to BITSAT and NDA and VIT also, Village Institute of Technology. Even SRM also, if you want to write the competitive exams related to mathematics, it will help you. Thank you.